Hi everyone, this is Fiona from the University of Maryland University College Data Analytics program. I'm taking the class Data 620, that's Data Management and Visualization, instructed by Professor Majed Alganda. In this short video, I'm going to talk about a time series analysis on American time use. As you can see, I'm using Tableau for this analysis, and I've already uploaded my dataset. So we're going to look at the storybook that I created that shows these different variables that impact American time use. The first variables we're looking at are food and drink preparations and caring for children. As you can see, I used the line graph and I included color to differentiate my variables. I also included trend lines to give me more insight on my analysis. As you can see from the trend lines, food and drink preparation is trending upwards, while caring for children is trending downwards over the years. This makes sense considering the fact that as a family grows bigger, they'll spend more time on food and drink preparation, and adults will spend less time on caring for children because the children will grow older. So I also included a prediction of this 7-year prediction because this analysis was done from a period of 2014 to 2010. So I did a prediction of another 7 years, and as you can see, the shaded area shows 95% that my data is a 95% confidence that my data will lie within this shaded area. You can also see from the R squared and the p values that were computed that this data is a good fit for my model, and because the smaller the p value and the large R square value show a good fit for the model. The next graph we're going to look at is sports and how sports impact American time use. As you can see, males spend a lot more time on sports activities compared to females. And I also included trend lines and predictions on this graph. The next graph we're going to look at is a bar chart showing employment status and education level and how they impact American time use. As you can see, the highly educated individuals, like the doctoral degree holders and professors and master degree holders, earn the most. But it's interesting to see that as that seasonal changes of weekly hours worked. In 2005, the individuals worked high weekly hours but still earned lower than, let's say, 2006, 2007, and 2008. This is quite an interesting insight. It shows that as the years went by, the level of earnings kept on increasing and the weekly hours worked kept on decreasing. The prediction just shows a steady growth, but I think my data is not very fit for it's not giving me a very good prediction, but I believe there must be something more to this prediction if I did had a better data set. The next thing we're going to look at is socialization and relaxing. As you can see, we hardly see we don't see any socialization and relaxing from individuals who are highly educated and are putting in more weekly hours worked and are earning highly. Let's say doctoral degree holders or professors, they don't have any time to socialize and relax. And as you can see, the dark blue shows that they're earning the most. The last graph we're looking at is a general overview of my measures grouped by gender. So this bar chart is showing a general overview of my data and how it impacts American time use. As you can see, it's pretty evident that females spend a lot more time on activities like housework and food and drink preparation and caring for children compared to males. And it's also evident that males earn more than females and work more weekly hours than females. I I got this data from the Ministry of Labor and Statistics database, and I also got some information from the Journal of Economic Perspectives. This kind of analysis can be beneficial to economic analysis and labor statistical analysis. If you're looking at factors like employment and unemployment levels, how much time is allocated to family, to work, such a data set will be very beneficial. But thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day.